In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a classic Roblox shirt using the custom use website. This process is straightforward, requires no software downloads, and is suitable for personal use on Roblox. Follow these steps to design your unique shirt in 2025. So let's get started. So first, open any web browser you want to use, like for example, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, or any web browser available you have. Like mine if I use Brave browser. While we're in the browser, let's go to the custom use website by clicking the search bar, which is located at the top of the screen. While we're in the search bar, type customuse.com to open the custom use website. As you can see, mine is already on the custom use website. When we're in the custom use website, log into your account. If you don't have one, just create an account so that we can proceed to the next step because you need to log in before you can create your own Roblox clothes. As you can see, mine is already created. While we're in the Home tab, click the Create Roblox 2D from scratch so that you can create your own from scratch. It will ask which design you want to create, and it's up to you if you want a shirt, pants, or both. I choose both designs, so I click this. The model is loading, so you just have to wait for a few minutes or seconds. As you can see, you have a blank Roblox. There's a tool where it's up to you on how you want to create your own Roblox clothes. You have successfully created your own Roblox shirt. You can now wear it in-game or send it to earn Robux. Explore further by designing pants as well, following the link tutorial in the video description. Enjoy your new creation and happy designing!